Hello, dear students. Welcome back to our news channel. Let's go to the article of the day. Economic aid to defense. India's Maldives reset ties after talks. Students, today we are going to explore the relationship between India and Maldives, and we will focus on the close bond that India shares with its neighbor in the Indian Ocean. Now, recently, something important happened between these two countries, a currency swap agreement, right? As you can see, it's a currency swap agreement, and it was signed by the government to, to help. Yes, here you can see to help the Maldives overcome some financial challenges. But what does all this mean? Let's dive in and find out. Students, imagine you are at school and one day your friend is short on supplies. Maybe they don't have a pencil for the day's test, but they need one desperately. You, having an extra pencil, lend it to them, trusting that they'll return it later when they can. This act of helping out, especially when someone is in need, builds trust between friends. Well, students, countries can do something similar, but instead of pencil, they often help each other with money or resources, especially when one country is going through a tough time. And that is what exactly happened between India and Maldives. Maldives, which is a beautiful country made up of islands, has been facing some economic challenges, which means they need help to manage money, right? And India stepped in and offered to lend them not pencils, but money through something called a currency swap agreement, right? So, what is a currency swap agreement? In simple terms, it's like an exchange deal between two countries where they lend each other their currencies. And this helps the country in need, like the Maldives, by giving them access to more money, especially foreign currency like dollars or Indian rupees. तो ये जो एक्स्ट्रा मनी है इट कैन बी यूज टू बाय इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग्स फ्रॉम अदर कंट्रीज जैसे फूड हो गया मेडिसिन हो गया ताकि उनकी इकोनॉमी स्मूथली रन कर सके और इंडिया ने साथ ही साथ 400 मिलियन डॉलर और 30 बिलियन इंडियन रुपीस भी प्रोवाइड कराया है अब ये जो जेनरस ऑफर है इट विल हेल्प द मालदीव्स कीप देयर इकोनॉमी स्टेबल and it will allow them to handle financial challenges without running out of money, right? But why is this important? You might wonder, why does India care so much about helping the Maldives? Well, India and Maldives have been close friends for a long time and they are important neighbors. Helping each other is not just about money, it's also about working together for safety and security in the region. And Maldives is a key country in the Indian Ocean. And if we are going to help them, and it will ensure that both countries are stable and safe, right? And if we talk about the impact it is going to have on India Maldives relationship. See, for Maldives, this agreement provides much needed financial support. It will enable them to better manage their foreign currency reserves and import essential goods क्योंकि वहां पे इतनी ज्यादा दिक्कत हो रही है परेशानी हो रही है उनकी इकोनॉमी को सस्टेन करने के लिए भी उनको पैसे की बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है so this move it will directly improve the economy of the country and boost India standing as a reliable partner. अब ऑब्वियस सी बात है कि इंडिया को कैसे देखा जाएगा, एक रिलायबल पार्टनर के रूप में, क्योंकि इंडिया मदद कर रहा है, नॉट इन टर्म्स ऑफ money but also other things. India is also doing other things, like you can see, India said it would repair the refit Maldivian Coast Guard ship Huravi on the gratis basis, that is free of charge, and it had been gifted by India some years ago, right? So India बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी हैं जो कि कर रहा है टू हेल्प मालदीव, और इस सब से क्या होगा कि इंडिया का स्टैंड इम्प्रूव होगा. एंड व्हेन वी टॉक इन टर्म्स ऑफ politics, from political perspective, the, see students, India and Maldives, they have shared strong ties historically, but recent political tensions had created some strain. हमने देखा था कि प्रेसिडेंट मोहम्मद मुइजू जब वो पावर में आए थे तो वो इसी स्टैंड पे आए थे, एंटी इंडिया इलेक्शन प्लान पर आए थे. उनकी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, ऐसा हमने देखा भी है, और उनके पार्टी के मेंबर्स ने भी एंटी इंडिया ट्वीट्स किए थे और स्टेटमेंट्स कोट किए थे. तो जिसकी वजह से कहीं ना कहीं दो कंट्री के रिलेशनशिप में इम्पैक्ट देखने को मिला है. बट दिस करेंसी स्वैप अग्रीमेंट along with other cooperative projects, it will demonstrate a renewal of trust and collaboration. And the timing of this agreement also coincides with the helping the government to reset diplomatic relations on a positive note, क्योंकि ये बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. और अगर हम मालदीवन इकोनॉमी को हेल्प करेंगे तो इंडिया क्या इंश्योर करता है कि उसका इन्फ्लुएंस इंडियन ओशन रीजन में बरकरार रहे, which is a very very important area for maritime security and trade routes, especially for India. और इस इस मूव की वजह से वी आर गोइंग टू स्ट्रेंथन आवर टाइज विद मालदीव्स, एंड एक बेटर पॉलिसीज, और इवन इंडिया के लीडरशिप रोल को भी इस रीजन में देखा जाएगा. और students, beyond economic and benefits, India's support also deepens the social and cultural bond with Maldives. See, the agreement signals long-term cooperation. It makes India a key partner in the Maldives development. So this can also lead to more collaborative projects in the future, right? And if we see in the context of China, see, China plays important role in the policy of Maldives. China has been an important player in Maldives through its significant investment in infrastructure projects like Belt and Road Initiative. But over the years, we have also seen that China's growing influence in the Maldives, especially in sectors like construction and tourism. And this has concerned India because India sees Maldives as part of its strategic backyard in the Indian Ocean region. So, India's move to extend financial support through the currency swap agreement can be seen as a counterbalance to China's presence in the Maldives, right? कि इंडिया भी मदद कर रहा है और चाइना का जो फैक्टर है उसको एक काउंटर बैलेंस करने के रूप में देख सकता है. So by providing economic stability and financial alternatives to Maldives, India strengthened its position as key partner, which may help to reduce the Maldives dependency on Chinese loan and investment. अब ये बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि मालदीव्स का सिग्निफिकेंट जो डेट है, कर्जा है, वो चाइनीज फंडेड प्रोजेक्ट्स की वजह से है और बहुत ऐसे चांसेस है कि वो डेट ट्रैप में फंस सकता है. सो अगर हम समराइज करें तो इंडिया का जो रीसेंट एक्शन है थ्रू करेंसी स्वैप डील, it may be viewed as a part of its broader strategy to counter China's growing influence in the Maldives and ensuring that India remains a close ally and it emerges as a leader in the whole Indo-Pacific region, not just Indo-Pacific but the region, Indian Ocean region. All right, students. तो जब भी कोई इंटरनेशनल रिलेशन से जुड़ी न्यूज होती है, हमें उसको एनालाइज करना चाहिए कि लॉन्ग रन में इंडिया पर उस पर इंडिया पर कैसा इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है, और किसी भी कंट्री के और इंडिया के रिलेशन में कोई भी न्यूज है, कोई भी एक्शन लिया गया है, तो कैसे वो अफेक्ट कर सकता है. ऑलराइट स्टूडेंट्स, सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपको ये न्यूज़ अच्छी लगी तो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए, राइट? एंड कीप लर्निंग एंड स्टे क्यूरियस अबाउट हाउ द वर्ल्ड वर्क्स, बिकॉज there's always something fascinating just around the corner.